Hi there, my name is Morgan Risden, and I'm the creator of Center Studio, where I teach people skills to feel more comfortable more often. Now, earlier this week, I had the pleasure of working with one of my students in an online lesson. And within the first few seconds of this lesson, I already knew what I wanted to talk to her about. And this is something that I feel like many of you at home during this bizarre time might also benefit from learning about. And this is, I'll just show you. So as we're getting ourselves set up on this call, we're both online on the Zoom call, and I saw a little bit of this. So technology is having some issues. We're figuring out audio, and my student was compressing the body to figure out, what's going to be plugged in or what's going to be unplugged, etc. Now, to begin with, first of all, a lot of us at this point, I'm assuming, are all communicating more frequently than before via video conference calls. So maybe it's Skype, maybe it's Zoom, maybe it's Facetime. In any way, we're connecting with video calls. And there can be some things that come up that are causing a lot of people tightness in their neck, tightness in their shoulders, things that maybe they don't always experience, but now it's creeping up a little bit. So I just wanted to give you a couple tips on how you can avoid pain or even reduce pain if you're already there. So number one, before you even get on the phone with any of your loved ones, set yourself up for success. And what I mean by that is find an area where your device, your computer, your iPad, your phone, whatever, is propped up at eye level. So oftentimes we don't think about it, but we end up a little bit down. We'll be talking and we feel like it's up because it's not in our lap, but it's not really up all the way at eye level. So if you can, perhaps you get a couple books that you don't read anymore, or you fold up a blanket or something, and maybe you even create a workstation where that's for your video calls. Do something to create the area that you're going to be talking so that the screen is at your eye level and you're not compromising your neck or your head in any sort of strange position, okay? So that's tip number one. Tip number two is that when you experience technology mishaps, which if you breathe, that's going to happen, okay? It's just a matter of life. If that happens, see if you can stay calm and relaxed even while you're figuring out what's going on. So even as you're looking for a solution. So to go back to my student's case, as we were working on the issue, could that have happened way back here? Could I be pressing the buttons on my computer, staying nice and elongated in my spine as I'm figuring out and looking at my screen? And even if I have to come closer to the screen because maybe I don't have my reading glasses on or what have you, I would hinge from my hips. So I come forward this way, not this way with my head and my neck. So you stay nice and long in your spine to come towards your computer so that maybe you see what you need to look at, and then you come all the way back and up. So this can be something that seems like, of course I would do that, but you'd be surprised. In most cases, when we're experiencing freezing of the computer, I can't hear somebody, I've disappeared completely, I don't know where my screen is, right? We often stop breathing, tighten our muscles, pull in, and then try quickly and frantically to figure it out. You have time, okay? Right now, we all have more time than we're used to. So take that time to relax your body, to include your body as you're figuring out the solution to your technology problem, okay? Because if you don't, you run the risk of tightening while you're figuring it out, and then when you get to talking and it's no problem, you haven't ever let that stuff go. So skip a step and just take care of yourself in a relaxed manner and say, hold on, something's freezing, I'm gonna figure it out, and stay nice and relaxed in your body as you sort out what the problem is. Okay, I know a lot of you already know, but for those of you who don't, every night, including weekends, I'm here at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm offering a free mind-body meditation where I guide people through sort of a constructive rest to get you ready for relaxing and preparing for bed. And so if you'd like, please join. I'm going to include information about that in the link below for Zoom. And then, of course, if you would like, please share it with anybody who you think might benefit. Okay? Until next time, friends, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Okay, ciao.